they are taken by the plastoquinone. And from the plastoquinone, these are pheophytin, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, plastocyanin. These are all the electron carrier substances that are present in the chloroplast of the grana of the chloroplast. We already know that the light reaction is taking place on the grana of the chloroplast. This thylakoids, it contains these pigments. So electrons from the P680 will be moving from pheophytins to plastoquinone, from plastoquinones to cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F complexes. And from this cytochrome B and cytochrome complexes is moving to the plastocyanin. So in this time, this formation of an ATP will be taking place. From the plastocyanin is again reaching to the P700 that is present in the pigment system 1. So already when the light is falling on the pigment system 1, their electrons are excited. They are left to this P700. So it is a deficiency. This deficiency is recouped by the PC, the electrons coming from the plastocyanin. Now, this P700 will be excited and the electrons will be released. And these electrons are reaches to ferridoxine, and the ferridoxine is from the ferridoxine to these electrons are helpful for the coupling of this NADP to NADPH2. So in last class we thought that one NADPH is equivalent to 3 ATP molecules. So like this, the ATP and NADPH are formed during the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. These ATP and NADPH are called as the assimilatory powers. These assimilatory powers are involved in the dark reactions. Now, this leads to an increase in H+ ion concentration in the lumen. These H+ ions, whenever the concentration is more, they will create a force known as the motive force or the H+ ion concentration gradient force. This H+ ion diffuses to the ATP synthase or the F1 particles. The energy released during this diffusion of H+ ions is picked up by the ATP synthase. So using this energy, ATP synthase combines ADP and inorganic phosphate to form the ATP. Like this, the synthesis of ATP in non-cyclic electron transport is called the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And non-cyclic electron transport synthesizes ATP and NADPH. That means at the end of the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, ATP and NADPH are formed. These are used in dark reaction of photosynthesis for the synthesis of sugars. These ATP and NADPH are also called as the assimilatory powers of light reaction. And now, cyclic photophosphorylation. The synthesis of ATP with the influence of light in cyclic electron transport is called the cyclic photophosphorylation. So ATP is synthesized when electrons flow from photosystem 1 and return back to it. That means where the electrons is moving, again coming and reaching the same target place. So it is called as a cyclic photophosphorylation. And now it occurs in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. So light reaction always takes place in the grana of the chloroplast. And it is the light reaction. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves the following step. The antenna complex of the photosystem 1. This photosystem 1 is formed by the association of number of pigment molecules. At the center, there may be a reaction center will be present. Whenever the light is received by the reaction center, these electrons will be coming outside from the reaction center. And these electrons are ejected from the center, and these electrons pass through pyridoxine, plastoquinone, cytochrome complex, plastocyanin, and return back to PS1. So where the electrons are moving, again they are reaching to the same center. It is called as a cyclic photophosphorylation. These are pyridoxine, plastoquinone, cytochrome, and plastocyanin. These are the electron carriers. These electron carriers are also present on the grana of the chloroplast. And now this is the cyclic photophosphorylation. Here In cyclic photosynthesis, cyclic photophosphorylation is mainly taking place in the lower plants or the some lower photosynthetic bacteria. And here, P700 is a reaction center that is present in the PS1. Whenever the light is fall on the here, when the light is fall on the P700, the light particles are called as the photons. And this carries a quantum of energy. This energy is taken by the P700. As a result, the electrons will be excited. And again, it comes to by in the excited state, the electrons will be released and it comes to ground state. And these electrons are moving from one electron carrier to another electron carriers. The first, it is taken by the ferridoxine. From the ferridoxine, the electrons are moving to plastoquinone, and from the plastoquinone to the cytochrome complex and the plastocyanine. And in between ferridoxine and cytochrome B6, one ATP is formed. So combining of ADP plus PI in presence of light is called as photophosphorylation. As a result of photophosphorylation, ATP is formed. And now, in between cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F, another ATP is formed. And again, the electrons will reaching to the same reaction center. Like this, it's the cyclic photophosphorylation to ATP is formed here. Here, no NADPH and no splitting of water molecule will be taking place. And during electron transport, H plus ions are accumulated in the lumen of thylakoids. This leads to the increase in the ion concentration, and this will be helpful for the ATP synthase to combine ADP plus PI and helpful for the formation of ATP energy currency is formed here. So, and the energy released during the diffusion of H plus ions is picked up by the ATP synthase. And using this energy, ATP synthase combines ADP and inorganic phosphate into ATP. That means during photosynthesis, ATP are formed. These ATPs are called as the formation of ATP in presence of light is called as photophosphorylation. And here the difference between non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation. Here in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the electrons do not come back to the same molecule or the same reaction center. And here cyclic photophosphorylation, electrons come back to the same molecule. Where the electrons are moving, again they will reaching the same reaction center. Here, both photosystems are involved, that is pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. P680 and P700 are participating in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Here, only PS1 is involved. Only the P700, they may be asked that which reaction center is present in the cyclic photophosphorylation. And here, P700. And first electron donor is the here the splitting of water molecule is taking place in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The splitting of water molecule is not there in the cyclic photophosphorylation. And here the last electron acceptor is NADP. Last electron acceptor is the PS1. Here NADP is accepting the electrons and thus will be helpful for the formation NADPH2. And oxygen is involved during non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And oxygen evolving complex, OEC, is called as oxygen evolving complex. The splitting of water molecules known as electrolysis. As a result of splitting of water molecules, oxygen, protons, and electrons will be released. And these protons is helpful for the formation of NADPH. Here, oxygen is not involved. So net production of ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. So end products of non-cyclic photophosphorylation are ATP, NADPH2, and the oxygen. So ATP, NADPH2, and oxygen are called as the end products of the light reaction. And ATP and NADPH are also called as reservoirs of powers, which are very helpful for the undergo the dark reaction. And this oxygen is coming from the splitting of water molecules. So net product is ATP only. So any ADPH is not produced here. The splitting of oxygen molecule is also not in the cyclic photosynthesis. So that in photosynthesis, the light reaction consisting of the cyclic and the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and by completing the cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation is mainly taking place in the presence of light. So this is called as the light reaction. And the next is the dark reaction. After completing of the light reaction, the dark reaction will be taking place. This dark reaction is taking place in the absence of the light. So it is called as dark reaction. In the dark reactions, this ATP, NADPH, H2 or the stimulative powers that are helpful for the undergoing this dark reaction. So in this light reaction, they may be asking the questions like which light is suitable for the photosynthesis, and the blue light and the red light, and the which GR, that means the wavelength is suitable for the plant to undergo the photosynthesis, and in PS1 and PS2 are the photosystems which are involved in the light reaction, and in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, two pigment systems are participating. In cyclic, only one, that is P700. This cyclic photophosphorylation is mainly seen in the primitive organisms or the some primitive photosynthetic bacteria. This type of photophosphorylation will be seen here. And in this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the evolution of the oxygen is seen. That means all the higher plants, all the angiosperms, all the higher plants, the oxygen is byproduct of the photosynthesis. Okay, in the next class, we will continue that dark reaction and C4 cycle and the camphor and the respiration, photorespiration. Thank you.